Hello, all, and welcome to Closure Diary. So, I just found few examples in a wonderful book called Joy of Closure, and these, okay, like some of them are from that book, and some of them I just improvised. Okay, so I just want to talk to you about them. So, first, let me just put my terminal and let me run Leningen Ripple. Okay, so seems to run on this port. That's the thing. Now it's okay, like launching this Calva Ripple or whatever it is. Right, Ripple. Yeah, I just use not in this project. Like that was how I first started using Ripple. But then now I learned to use how to use Ripple in Lenigen. But yeah, this will surface now. So that's the thing. And so yeah, now we can just check it. So let's put like plus one and one, and it'll be right. So that's how it is. So these are the examples I came upon, and I felt very what to say happy I discovered it. So over here, you just have this variable x. This is a for loop. So you just have this variable x, and you just have what to say vector given to it a and b, right? So that's how it is. And y is range 5. That is like from 0 to 4, right? So that is y, right? So you put range 5, you'll get 0 to 4. Okay, not like 1 to 5 or something like that. Now, when you put this when odd y, it'll take only the odd numbers like 1 and 3, right? So that's how it is. So it is effectively like representing y as 1 and 3, right? So of course, this should not be executed. So let me just put a single code over here, right? So that's how it is. If I just put like 1 and 3, it'll think like 1 is the function and 3 is the argument. So it'll give an error. So that's how it is. Okay. But of course, like, yeah. And yeah, so it'll only take 1 and 3 from this, and of course, A and B. So now let us execute this one and see like for uh, x and y, where x is A and B, that is like symbols A and B, and y is range 5, and only odd ones in y are being taken. So you just have this when keyword, right? So that's the thing, right? So let us just check it. So yeah, so okay, x is a and y is 1, x is a and y is 3, and that's it. So y will be only 1 and 3, right? So and now okay, like x is b and y is 1, and x is b and y is 3. So it gives all what to say combinations, right? That's how it is. So similarly, you can just give it to doseq. Okay, so doseq is returns nothing; it returns nil. But inside it, you can print something. And this prn is also new to me, so I never use prn. I just use println, right? So let me see what's the documentation. Oh, it shows no documentation. Right. Okay, fine. What happened? Okay, for some reason I'm not seeing any documentation, right? So before I used to see very good documentation. I don't know why. Okay, so looks like PRN is short form of println, or I'm not sure exactly what it is. So, but yeah, let me just execute it. So yeah, you've just got this very same stuff, but it's been printed out, right? So A1, A3, B1, and B3. So that's how it is. So now I just give something like okay, X is range 10. Okay, so let me put range 10, and then I've just given when even X. So it is like almost like giving like filter. And does it at least show documentation for this? I don't know, right? I don't think it shows documentation. Okay, let me put even and then. range 10, range 10, right? Yeah, so you get 0 to 468, so that's equivalent. And similarly, yeah, this is also filter like odd filter odd range 5 and assigning it to y. Okay, so you'll just get 1 and 3. So let me just execute this. Yeah, I think I need to wrap text. So wrap. Yeah, so this is what you just get. So 0 1 and all those stuff till 8 3, right? So over here you just have 8 over here, and of course you know y is nothing but 1 and 3, right? So that's the thing, right? So you could give even something like this. Okay, like okay, yeah, this one is with odd x and odd y. Okay, so yeah, let me just execute it. Yeah, you are getting it. I think you should be having no surprises or doubt with it. But if you do comment, maybe I'll put another video. Maybe I won't. I'm just super lazy, right? So and this didn't work. Okay, so okay, so we have given odd y. So I'm checking whether y is odd or not even before defining y. So it didn't work. So that's natural. So anyway, let's execute it. So like that's the thing. Right? Uh, so yeah, unable to resolve symbol y. So that's the thing, right? So yeah, but look, this thing worked. Okay, look, I thought this when condition should only work with variables after this comma, but somehow it even picked up this variable and it worked. Okay, but I don't know what it really gave, right? So oh, okay. Odd x and 9 and 4. Okay, I really exactly. Okay, so it's just iterating through all values of y. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then once again 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all those stuff. And x is iterating like 1, 3. Okay. And then I really don't know. Like, okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, right? So, but I feel very odd in giving odd x over here. Looks like it has just only picked odd values of x, and that's how it's doing it. So, let me just try another one. So, like, let me just try. Okay, okay. So, oh, this doesn't. Okay, I don't have any more ideas. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, so or let me just try something like this one. When odd x, okay, and is a keyword, right? I'm not getting this contextual help over here for closure. So okay, so and even y. Okay, so hopefully yeah, this should work, right? So x should all be odd and y should all be even, right? So yeah. So 2 and 4, and what about y as 0? Yeah, you have also got 0 here. Yeah, 0, 2, 4, and y, and x is odd. So I think you can even give conditions like this one. So that's how it is. And you can even give it separately, right? So like this one, right? And somehow the first variable you can give it in the second one. This is truly, truly odd and very, very bad programming. I even find it very, very difficult to read it. And as a professional programmer, you should not write code that's difficult to read. In fact, as a professional programmer, you should not even rename, or you should not even name your variables x and y. But I come from Ruby community, but a lot of closure programmers just have like single variable names and all those stuff. So I don't know like what is exactly professionalism and closure and all those stuff. In Ruby, we just need to have very, very good variable names, right? So that's how it is. Okay. Anyway, like each and every community for for like yeah, every community their programming language is a religion, and yeah, like what they do is right for them. So yeah, okay, I'm kind of okay with that. So yeah, so in this video, I just want to say like, okay, there is a way to give conditions in this for loop and all those things rather than using complex filters and all other stuff. And I hopefully I've explained it. Anyway, until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye.